Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to plant green pepper seeds at home. First, select high-quality seeds from a trusted supplier. To boost germination, soak your seeds in warm water for a full 24 hours. Next, prepare a seed starting tray using a sterile, well-draining seed starting mix. This initial step is crucial for giving your pepper plants the best possible start, ensuring they have the right environment to begin their journey from tiny seed to thriving plant. Now, let's get those seeds planted. Gently place each seed about 1/4 inch deep into the prepared mix. Make sure to space them at least 1 inch apart to give each seedling enough room to grow without competing for resources. After planting, lightly water the soil. It's important to keep the soil consistently moist, but never soggy, as too much water can hinder germination and lead to issues. A gentle misting can work wonders here. For successful germination, maintaining the right environment is key. Aim for a consistent soil temperature between 75 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. A heating mat can be very helpful. Once planted, provide your seeds with ample light, at least 12 to 16 hours daily. A sunny window or a dedicated grow light will work perfectly. You should start seeing tiny sprouts emerge within 7 to 21 days, a truly exciting moment for any gardener. Once your seedlings have developed 2 sets of true leaves, it's time to transplant them into larger pots. Before moving them outdoors permanently, remember to harden them off. This involves gradually exposing them to outdoor conditions over 7 to 10 days, helping them adapt to wind and sun. Finally, choose a sunny spot in your garden that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily for your mature pepper plants to thrive and produce abundant fruit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.